Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I would like to show the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because it will reset camera to factory default settings, so just tap on reset if you're ready. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible. You cannot see them, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.